Hey guys, Jess Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing inside our stunning new listing. This one is 18 Strawberry Fields in Granby, Connecticut. It is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, Colonial style home. Look at these soaring ceilings. I just love this property. Nestled on over 3 acres, tons of space to entertain. It's got this beautiful rolling flat lawn, great little pond to the side of it, sweet little cul-de-sac street. You're not going to want to miss it. Right near Bushy Hill Orchard and in the heart of Granby. This one has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's got a great mudroom that was all done 2009. 2020 they put in a brand new fire pit in the back to entertain, toast those s'mores, and enjoy those beautiful fall nights. They've also done a ton in 2018, all new siding, 50-year architectural shingle roof. They have new gutters, new slider, new back window in 2018. They also did in 2016 a new furnace, new central air handler. They added a bonus room above the garage, so you could have a 5th bedroom here if you want, or a great entertaining space above that garage. 2, game room, you name it, workout room, but down in the basement. This is over 3,700 square feet up top, and in the partially finished lower level, they have an additional office space, they have an additional guest bedroom, they have an additional workout or movie theater room, you name it, it's down there. They've got a mudroom, great fireplace back here. Let me just show you a little bit about what this house has to offer. I love this property. The light pours in here. Great French doors that lead from this living room or first floor office if you'd like to make it that here. Nice hardwood floors throughout. It's got a great open floor plan between the kitchen and family room here. They've got a nice floor plan that flows from the kitchen into the dining room and the family room. Great deck with access from both the family room and the kitchen. Granite countertops, all newer appliances within the last 5 years that are stainless as well. This is a wood-burning fireplace back here. The garage is even heated with propane heat. There's a propane cooktop in the kitchen, propane washer and dryer, 2nd floor laundry too. The master bedroom is awesome with an ensuite master bath. They even have double closets, all custom California closets throughout this home as well. It's got central vac, it's got a security system, it's got surround sound. What more could you want? All the bells and whistles are here. This one's priced to move and not gonna last long. Give us a call, 860-325-2484, or visit us on our website at starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.